Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick technical analysis video here on APHA, Aphria. It's a marijuana company here in Canada. And so what we're looking here is APHA had its earnings on August the 2nd, which is the Friday, and it exceeded all expectations here. And even though APHA here was in a downtrend, it was had exceeded expectations in its earnings, and earnings are usually a gamble, as it could be even a positive earnings, but there could be a negative reaction or vice versa. So nobody expected this sort of reaction. But from this move, we see that a lot of shorts have been trapped and they're forced to cover, causing a short squeeze. And so there's huge volume coming in from institutions, this big green bar here. And so buyers and shorters are both buying, causing this surge and buying move. But let's see here, even if you miss this initial move of 40%, there were a couple of day trades that you could have made, but looking at APHA, because of its earnings, it's lifted up all the other MJ companies, CGC, Cron, VFF, ACB, so it's a good sign for the marijuana companies here. But talking about the day trade that we could have made here, so looking here in the US side, so this was the day that happened. And so what we would look at here is we are looking for an initial sell-off because of a huge gap up open here at 682. And so the supports here pre-market, we have 628, we have psychological at 6, and then we also have 564 here as a support level. And so initial sell-off, we're looking here, we have a 1 minute bullish divergence. If you take a look here, this is dropping to lower low, while this is moving up higher on the RSI. So 630, that was a bear move, and it was way out of the lower Bollinger Band. It was 2 minutes oversold. And so we could have set a stop at around 615 for the move here. 615, let's move back here, 615. So we could have set a stop here at 615, which was the low support of this pre-market. So if we bought in at that range and we set a stop at 615 and we held it all day, you would have had yourself a nice 16% move looking at it. So looking here, the second opportunity that I found was near the end of day, and it was this double top here, 745, and this was a short opportunity. And looking at the Canadian side, after this move, it was as you take a look here, this is moving upwards, while this RSI is moving downwards for a bullish divergence. 2 minutes was overbought as well, and because it was moving up all day, it needed a higher low. And so we had a short opportunity here at 745 if you're looking at the US, and it ended up at 728. That was a small day trade gain. So looking forward to on Monday, we have Canadian side is closed, but we're going to look at how the US market is going to move. Hopefully it'll be a continuation move. However, if we're looking at the 4 hour here, 4 hour is looking pretty extended here. The 4 hour here will need a higher low, and from here we'll see how much it consolidates. If it consolidates more than expected, then we can expect an equilibrium. But if it just has a healthy bull flag, then we can expect some more continuation and some change in sentiment for our MJ bulls here. So our next resistance for APHA is 760 and 768, but after that you have a lack of resistance up here. So looking at that, that is our quick technical analysis on Aphria, and we'll see how it does on Monday and for the next coming week.